In this short video, we'll be working on Tom Iceman Kazansky's F-14 Tomcat from Top Gun. First, we'll work on the fuselage base, which will be key to the variable sweep wings. We reinforce the piece with strips of can to strengthen it. Next, we complete the wings. We've reinforced the wings with strips of can. Now we glue each half to the craft foam. And finally, we secure them to the upper fuselage with eyeglass screws to make them move just like a real F-14 Tomcat. Perfect. Both wings are able to move. Next, we complete the fuselage base assembly, being careful not to get any glue on the wings. The wings work perfectly. Next, we start work on the forward fuselage piece. Now we glue the 3D printed nose cone to the front of the piece. The engine intakes are next. We glue them to the bottom of the fuselage base, one at a time, as shown. Now the forward fuselage piece goes on next. Our F-14 Tomcat build is slowly starting to come together. The horizontal stabilizers are next. We glue them into place, one at a time, as seen here. We make sure they line up with the variable sweep wings. Next, we glue the engines into position at the rear of the assembly, one at a time. Finally, we're ready for the Tomcat's twin vertical tail pieces. The canopy is next. We glue it on as shown. Finally, we're ready for the ventral strakes. We glue them into position at the bottom of the Tomcat. And our tribute to Val Kilmer, who played Tom Iceman Kazansky, is complete. Make sure to check out the full video tutorial linked in the description. Also make sure to comment, like, and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Clear skies and tailwinds, Iceman.